Hey, what's up everybody, it's your tech man MKBHD here with a look at the iPhone 12. Apple's latest iPhone is here, and it's bringing some serious innovation to the table. In this review, we'll dive deep into the iPhone 12's design, performance, camera, and more, to help you decide if it's the right phone for you. From its sleek new look to its powerful A14 chip, there's a lot to unpack. So let's get started and see what this phone is all about. The iPhone 12 is more than just a phone, it's a statement. It's a testament to Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology and design. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a casual user, or just looking for a new smartphone, the iPhone 12 demands your attention. Stay tuned as we break down everything that makes this phone special. The first thing you'll notice about the iPhone 12 is its new design. Apple has ditched the rounded edges of previous models for a flatter, more industrial look. Think iPhone 4 or iPhone 5 but with a modern twist. And let me tell you, it feels great in the hand. The flat edges provide a more secure grip, and the phone just feels more substantial overall. But the design isn't just about looks, it's about durability too. The iPhone 12 features Apple's new ceramic shield front cover, which they claim is tougher than any smartphone glass out there. And it's not just marketing hype, this thing is seriously tough. In drop tests, the iPhone 12 has held up remarkably well, shrugging off scratches and impacts like a champ. Now let's talk performance. The iPhone 12 is powered by Apple's A14 Bionic chip, the first 5nm chip in a smartphone. And let me tell you, this thing flies. Apps open instantly, games run buttery smooth, and multitasking is a breeze. This is, hands down, one of the most powerful smartphones I've ever used. But the A14 chip isn't just about raw power, it's also about efficiency. Apple has optimized the chip to work seamlessly with iOS 14, resulting in incredible battery life. And speaking of battery life, the iPhone 12 easily gets me through a full day of use, even with heavy streaming and gaming. Let's move on to the camera because that's always a big deal with iPhones. The iPhone 12 features a dual camera system with a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. And let me tell you, the results are stunning. Photos are sharp, colors are vibrant, and the dynamic range is incredible. Apple has really stepped up their camera game with the iPhone 12. But the real magic happens in low light. The iPhone 12's night mode is even better than before, able to capture incredible detail and clarity in even the darkest environments.